Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Tame the Wild is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned survivalist or just enjoy a weekend camping trip. This rugged and reliable tool is designed to help you navigate, build shelter, and even prepare food in the most challenging environments, making it an indispensable companion for your adventures. Its compact design and durable construction ensure it can withstand the rigors of the wild, providing you with the confidence to explore further and push your boundaries. Number 5. Arkam Premium Heated Beard Straightener Kit. Tired of unruly beards? Achieve a perfectly styled look in minutes with this innovative grooming tool. It features advanced heated technology that gently straightens and styles your beard. Get salon-quality results at home. Designed with an anti-scald feature for maximum safety. Its dual-action comb ensures a smooth and comfortable styling experience. Whether your beard is medium or long, this tool is perfect for taming and shaping. It works efficiently on all hair types. Keep your grooming essential protected and organized with the included hard-shell travel case. It's ideal for grooming on the go. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This premium kit is a thoughtful and practical choice for any occasion. What we like. This heated brush offers a premium grooming experience with its anti-scald feature for safety. It comes with a convenient travel case, making it ideal for men with medium to long beards who need quick and safe styling on the go. If you prioritize safety and convenience for your longer beard, this is the one for you. What people say. My fiancé uses it on his beard and it gets the hair straight and smooth. It also will straighten my long wavy hair very well. I like being able to adjust the temperature. It's easy to use. I run my temperature a bit lower than the long beard setting. I stick to 375 and it thoroughly straightens my beard. It also makes it feel very soft and sleek. Using the brush is simple, just plug it in and choose one of the 3 heat settings. It heats up quickly too. The entire brush head heats up, but the end of the bristles are covered so that the heat never burns your face. All you need to do is to run the brush slowly through your beard and it will straighten your facial hair, simple as that. Number 4. Viking Revolution Ultimate Beard Kit. Tired of unruly facial hair? Discover the ultimate solution for a perfectly groomed beard. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. Inside, you'll find a premium beard brush and comb for effortless styling. Achieve the desired shape and manageability with ease. Our specially formulated beard balm and oil work wonders to nourish and soften your beard. Say goodbye to dryness and itchiness. Keep your beard and mustache looking sharp with the included high-quality scissors. Perfect for detailed trimming and shaping. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beard grooming kit is an ideal present for any man who takes pride in his appearance. Give the gift of a great beard. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential tools for complete beard care, from brushing and combing to trimming and conditioning. It's presented as a great gift option for men. If you're looking for a complete set to start or maintain your beard grooming routine, this all-in-one solution is perfect. What people say. Everything smelled really good and it didn't weigh down his beard, just conditioned and made it feel softer. The scissors are super sharp and the 2-sided comb is really great to make sure the products are spread evenly through your beard. He says that it has helped him straighten his beard, which he says made it easier to brush and wash. He said the beard balm and the oil are not greasy and they absorb well into the hair on his beard. The star of the show I think has to be the beard balm. It works wonderfully and straightens out his beard hair. He has very sensitive skin, so the fact that it doesn't give him a reaction is a godsend. Also, it comes with a nice sharp pair of small scissors that could be used for basically any trimming. Number 3. Viking Revolution Sandalwood Beard Balm. Discover the ultimate grooming experience with our Sandalwood Beard Balm. It's crafted to condition and soften your beard, leaving it manageable and looking its best. Enriched with argan oil, jojoba oil, and beeswax, this balm provides deep moisturization. It nourishes your beard and the skin beneath, preventing dryness and itchiness. Say goodbye to rough, unruly facial hair. Our unique formula works to smooth and soften, giving you a comfortable and attractive beard. This beard butter acts as a powerful moisturizer, ensuring your beard stays hydrated throughout the day. It helps to tame flyaways and provides a healthy sheen. Simply apply a small amount to your beard and style as desired. Enjoy the benefits of a well-groomed, great-smelling beard with our convenient 2-ounce pack. Elevate your beard care routine with a product designed for men who value quality. Achieve that perfect beard look with ease and confidence. What we like. Experience the rich sandalwood scent while nourishing your beard with argan and jojoba oils. This balm acts as a moisturizer, leaving your beard soft and manageable. If you desire a pleasant fragrance and a softer, more hydrated beard, this product is an excellent choice for daily use. What people say. It leaves my beard feeling soft and takes away the dry itchiness. Very easy to use with just a thumbnail size. Works great and doesn't have all the extra junk in it. Smells good, makes the beard look nice, doesn't make the beard feel oily or greasy. A very pleasing sandalwood aroma in a convenient beard balm. The oil softens while the balm butter protects the follicle from breakage and drying out. The sandalwood scent is not overpowering but present enough to evoke memories of a trip to a high-end lumber yard. Number 2. Striking Viking Citrus Beard Balm. Introducing the Striking Viking Beard Balm, your ultimate solution for a softer, more manageable beard. This balm is designed to condition and style, giving you the flexibility you need. Experience the invigorating citrus scent that awakens your senses. It works to soften coarse hairs, making your beard feel as good as it looks. Achieve that perfect look with ease. This balm provides flexible styling without stiffness, ensuring your beard stays in place all day long. It's not just a softener, it's a conditioner for your mustache too. Tame flyaways and add a healthy sheen to your entire facial hair. The convenient 2 fluid ounces size is perfect for travel. Keep your beard looking and feeling its best, no matter where your adventures take you. Crafted for the modern man, this balm enhances your natural beard. Feel the difference that quality ingredients and thoughtful formulation can make. What we like. Enjoy a refreshing citrus scent with this travel-friendly beard softener. It provides flexible styling for your beard and mustache, allowing for easy adjustments throughout the day. If you prefer a lighter hold, a fresh scent, and the ability to style on the move, this balm is a great pick. What people say. Keeps hair soft, conditioned, and just a bit of hold. The sandalwood scent is just the right amount. It's effective without too much shine so it doesn't look too greasy. This is one of the only balms I have found that does not break me out. It isn't too greasy, it's got good hold. It's an exceptional pomade. If you're looking for a balm that actually absorbs into your skin rather than just sitting on top of it, Sandalwood Beach Balm is a game changer. It has a buttery consistency that melts on contact. It's incredibly effective at soothing dry, salty skin after a day outdoors, leaving a healthy glow without the sticky residue. It works everywhere. Number 1. Viking Revolution Ultimate Grooming Kit for Men. Introducing the Ultimate Grooming Kit designed for men. Achieve a polished look with essential tools for your daily routine. This kit includes a premium boar bristle brush. It helps to distribute natural oils, leaving your hair and beard smooth and shiny. Also included is a natural wood comb. It's perfect for detangling and styling, ensuring a neat appearance without snagging. Nourish your beard with our sandalwood balm and oil. They provide moisture and a subtle, pleasant fragrance for all-day comfort. Precision scissors are provided for trimming your beard and mustache. Keep your facial hair perfectly shaped with ease and accuracy. This comprehensive set offers everything you need for superior grooming. Elevate your style and confidence with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This ultimate grooming kit features a quality boar brush and wood comb for effective grooming, along with sandalwood scented balm and oil for nourishment. It includes scissors for precise trimming. If you appreciate natural grooming tools and a classic sandalwood aroma, this kit offers a superior grooming experience. What people say. The boar bristle brush is made with high-quality wooden materials. This brush is highly effective for smoothing hair after drying. Double-sided wood comb features both fine and coarse teeth, making it ideal for detangling and positioning hair before trimming. Sandalwood beard oil and balm offer a warm, masculine fragrance while effectively moisturizing and softening the hair, but does not overpower and clash with his cologne. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.